What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, drawing Yarnaby from Poppy Playtime. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw a large circle for the head. Now I'm going to start at the very top in the center. Let's start with the left side. We're going to go all the way around, come down towards the bottom of our circle, and then in. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw on the right side. Now with our circle in place, we're going to split this in half with a straight line coming down the middle. So we'll start at the very top in the middle, come all the way down towards the bottom. Let's push the eyes out towards the side. So we're going to start against the edge of the head, draw a large circle, coming all the way around, go up, and then back out. Let's line this up on the right. Now we're going to draw a slightly smaller circle, but we're going to push this towards the outside. So let's start from the top. Want to leave a little gap along the inside, go out, and then blend that out towards the side. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting from the top, add that gap along the inside, and then back out. In the center of each eye, let's add a small circle. Now I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the eyes going around that center circle. Now we're going to move down and draw a curve for the mouth, starting on the left side, and it's down, across the middle, and then back up. Now we're going to add in the teeth. On the left side of that center line, let's add one tooth. We're going to go up towards a point, and then angle this back down. Let's move over towards the right and do the same thing, going up towards the same height, and then down. Now we'll add one smaller tooth on the right. Now with the head in place, we're going to surround this with those thick strands of yarn. Let's start right in the middle with the left side. We're going to go up, and then bend that down. Now I want to round at the end. That's going to follow that curve along the inside, and then back down on top of the head. Let's add one over on the right. We want to offset this so it's not perfectly symmetrical. Raising up a little bit higher. And again, just tracing the inside coming down. Now I'm going to fill this area in the center with more yarn. So we're going to step over towards the right. It's going to layer this in behind, come down, and round this out. Let's add another one. We're going to poke this up, round at the end, and then come back down. Now from here we start working down the side of the head. Let's start on the left. We're going to start by curving this down and out. Let's go over towards the right side. We're going to start from the top of the head, bend this up, come down, and then bend that out. Let's round at the ends, and then pull that back in. Let's continue working our way down. We're just going to layer this in, coming down and out, round at the end, and then back up. Let's continue down towards the bottom. Let's fill in the bottom with some more strands. Start from the top, pulling that up. Just going to tuck this in the middle, and then add one more. Now let's go back up to the top and just fill in those gaps. We're going to start from the top left. Just going to round this out and come down. Let's add some more along the top. Go over towards the right and do the same thing. Let's add a second layer in between each of the front strands. Now from here on, layer the paws underneath the head. Let's start over on the left. Start with the curve coming down and out. And we're just going to line this up over on the right, coming down and then out. Just making sure that they line up across the bottom. Let's add in that claw. We're going to go up, round out the claw, and then bend that down towards the tip. Curve this up and then in towards the bottom of the foot. From the top of the claw, we're going to draw the toe going up and then in underneath. Let's add a second claw. Start from the top. Just going to layer this in behind, going down. Go up, round out the claw, and come down towards the bottom. Now again, we want to draw the top of the toe. From the top of the claw, go up and then in. Let's add in that last claw. And then the edge of the toe going up and then in underneath. Now last thing we want to do is fill the inside of each strand with that texture. Let's start on this one here. Just going to start from the inside of the head and just add a curve. And just continue out towards the end. And I want to do this to each strand. And once we finish filling that in, we'll be sure to sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Yarnaby from Poppy Playtime. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.